Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to review newly launched Inside Cosmetics lip crayon. I have 3 shades for my brown skin and I was trying these lip crayons for past couple of days before sharing my thoughts. So if you're interested how these lip crayons performs, then all you have to do is stay tuned till the end of this video. So these lip crayons comes in total of 10 beautiful shades for the price of rupees 220 each, and you get 7 grams of product with 3 years of shelf life, and it is available on Myntra, Nykaa, Flipkart and on their official website. I picked it up at full price without any discount, but I think on Nykaa's hot pink sale you can get these at good discounted price. So let's talk about the packaging. That's how the outer packaging looks like. It is color coordinated to the inner shade that you get. You will find every detail on the packaging itself, and it says that it is infused with vitamin E and kojic acid. You will find the shade name and the number on the face of the outer packaging, and at the back you'll find the rest of the details. And if you're interested, you can even check their official website on Nykaa's app for more detailed ingredient list. So that's how the inner packaging looks like. The caps are color coordinated and it comes in this kind of crayon form, but this packaging is non-retractable. You will have to sharpen. So I'm on Nykaa's app and I will be discussing each and every point depending on the claims they have made. So first thing they have said is it is enriched with vitamin E oil to moisturize and protect, plus kojic acid to even out your lip pigmentation. I will tell you what I felt while using this lip crayon. First thing, they have mentioned that these lip crayons are extremely nourishing because they are infused with vitamin E oil and kojic acid. Vitamin E is going to provide nourishment and moisturization, and kojic acid is going to even out your pigmentation on the lips, and that is how it gives you one swipe opaque pigmentation. It covered every darkness on the lips. I did not feel any moisturizing, any kind of nourishment as such while trying out these lipsticks. Next thing, they have mentioned that you can use it to outline your lips and also fill it in simultaneously, which I have done it today. I used 2 different shades. One of the darkest shade I used to outline my lips, and then I use this shade to fill it in. A beautiful gorgeous red shade, perfect for brown skin I guess, because it brightens up the entire look. Next point, they have mentioned that it gives you sophisticated matte finish that glides effortlessly without tugging or pulling your lips. I have a different point of view over here. This is not the creamiest formula that I've ever come across in lip crayons. I have been loving and using the Sugar matte as hell lip crayon, and this is one of the creamiest formula I have ever come across. It just glides like butter, but this on the other hand tugs and pulls and doesn't feel creamy at all. Yes, it does give you matte finish, but I can say it is a very dry matte kind of finish that you get. It does not feel lightweight at all. While I'm talking, I can feel that something is there which is giving me a tight stretchy kind of feel, which I absolutely hate. And next point, they have mentioned that enjoy a lightweight feel on your lips with no heavy residue or stickiness. As I've already mentioned, I would like to disagree to this point that it does not feel lightweight at all, and it does feel little bit of stickiness because I had some lip oil before trying out these lipstick to prep my lips, to hydrate my lips, because this in itself is not hydrating, and just because of that, while I wiped out the lip oil, it is feeling little bit sticky. It gives you bang on pigmentation. You can see how gorgeous the shades looks in itself. All the 3 shades that I picked up for my brown skin does look beautiful on me. This red shade brightens my entire look. If I'm not wearing anything, still it makes my complexion look very flawless, as if I don't have any traces of blemishes, unevenness. But the other 2 shades that I'm going to show you in the swatches, I do need a lip liner, and it looks even more better if I have full glam makeup on. Now let me just compare these two lipstick formulations side by side. The Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell lipstick in the shade Scarlet O'Hara, and this is Inside Cosmetics lip crayon, which we are reviewing in today's video. So this is how it goes on. It is very creamy, applies like butter, and you just get that pigmentation. The packaging is not retractable, it is sharpenable, and this is how the Inside Cosmetics Valentine, this is in the shade Valentine, looks like. Now if you look at, both of them has a similar depth, it is just the color that is different. Both of them has a beautiful neutral warm undertone, but both of these shade just brightens up your entire complexion. If I try to wipe the Inside Cosmetics one, it does come off easily with any micellar water, but with a wet wipe it takes a little bit of much more effort. Now if I wipe the Sugar Cosmetics one, just look at it, it even leaves a stain behind. So this is one of the long lasting formula I have ever come across. This Inside Cosmetics has a stiff texture, it has a little bit of thicker texture, and that is the reason it tugs and pulls your lips. And if you're someone like me who suffers from dry, chappy and flaky lips, I think this formulation is not for you. And even if you want to try it out, just exfoliate, prep and prime your lips really well. Apply a good layer of a lip mask before trying out this kind of matte formulation, because if you fail to do so, it can exaggerate all the texture. It will make your lips go dry even more, and it is going to suck the entire moisture out of your lips. And if at all I am wearing this kind of lip crayon, I always like to go with an extra layer of hydrating lip gloss or a lip oil. So I have this La Mer lip care oil. Let's just try and apply how it feels on my lips. It has taken this lip shade to another level, from dry to extremely hydrating one. So this lip crayon gets a pass from my end, but if you're someone who wants to try it out for yourself, how actually it works on you, you can totally go ahead and give it a shot, because as I always say, makeup is subjective. If it is not working for me, if I did not like the formulation, doesn't mean that it is not going to work for you. So you are more than welcome to try it out and see for yourself whether it fits you or you want to also give it a pass. Alright, now let's head on to the swatches. If you know what happens in my swatch video. I give you swatches on my bare skin and with makeup on, so that you can see the difference, how actually all these three shades looks in itself. And if you are close enough to my skin tone, you can take me as your shade reference. While I'm giving you the swatches, I will also give you the shade breakdown, so I think it might be helpful for you. Bourbon is a beautiful muted rosy brown with hints of warm mauve. It has a very natural, earthy and sophisticated vibe. There is a slight rosy red to it, but it's balanced with brown, therefore making it neutral warm undertone. Toasted Mauve is another beautiful muted rosewood with some blend of brown, red and hint of mauve. It has a warm to neutral undertone. It is a perfect MLBB shade for my kind of skin tone and a best daily wear shade for medium to deep skin tone. This shade Valentine appears to be a bright raspberry red with blend of fuchsia pink and classic red. It has a cool undertone with noticeable bluish pink hue. This kind of undertone generally brightens up the complexion. Okay guys, so here is the wear test of this Inside Cosmetics lip crayon. You can see the before and after. This is the after I had my meals. As I said, it is definitely going to give you this butthole kind of situation, and also it is going to come off completely from the interior part of your lips, which is what has happened. It has smudged ever so slightly, and just look at it, nothing is there, and just look at the unevenness it has created. And my food, my spoon, my plate, my glass, everything was staining while I was having my meals. Now they say it is going to last you all day long, so for that you need to starve, and if you're starving, definitely it is going to last you all day long. If I am going out for a couple of hours and I am not planning to have anything, not even light bite of my meals, definitely I'm going to wear these lip crayons. But with oily food, you can see the condition. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. And if you did, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi. And I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.